Hello there and welcome back. This video is going to be all about lightsabers and the amazing sounds that come out of them. If you have not watched Tales of the Jedi, which just came out, I highly recommend you do so. That's what this video is going to be based off of. All of the lightsaber sounds that were in that show across the entire 6 episodes are what's going to be showed off on this lightsaber right here. If you have not watched my previous video, I'm going to put it up on the screen. I previously did a video that was based just on the lightsaber sound fonts from movies and the shows. I had a ton of fun making that video, so I decided to do it again. The fonts that I'm going to be doing are Ahsoka, the Inquisitor, QUI-GON, YADDLE, and Count Dooku. These fonts are made by Kyberphonic. He did an amazing job, so I'm going to be showing them off for you here today. You're going to get really high quality audio from what the lightsaber sounds really sounded like aside from the show. It's going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be really interesting to listen to. Please let me know if you want to see more stuff like this from certain movies or other series. I would love to do it. I have a ton of fun making these, and it's going to be really high quality for you, so just let me know. And yeah, that's really about it. I hope you enjoy.
Ahsoka Tano.
I'm tired of fighting.
You be? You're supposed to be dead.
Master Dooku.
I want only to bring peace and order to the galaxy. Master Yaddle.
This ends here, Sith Lord.
Qui-Gon Jinn.
Just thinking in the moment, Master.